Okay, to do these light buckets is really easy. This is what it looks like underneath. On these back ones, I started out with some red styrofoam block, and I drilled it, fitted it in there so that the bulb would fit exactly where it needed to be on the lens. And I glued that in place with the bulb. Ran my wiring. On the fronts, a little different. On the fronts, I had to fabricate these buckets from this aluminum tape right there. And what it does is it makes it light proof. I covered these back ones with it so that there's no bleed through. Main thing you have to make sure when you're painting the inside of your body that you mask for your headlights and your tail lights, so that you can so the bulbs shine through the Lexan, and then the decal will give it the scale look of the lens. And doing this technique, it's pretty good. Then once I did that, I covered it with the Gorilla tape. So once I fabricated those and got them in place, I covered all my wires, my wiring harness with the Gorilla tape. Then see these styrofoam blocks, those how I mount my body. I got a unique way for this particular body. But anyway, after I put the tape, covered everything with the Gorilla tape, and then I sprayed it with a good coat of, what is it called? Body coat, bed coat, for truck body, bed. This right here, that right there. That Armor-Tech bed, duplicate color bed liner. And that's the Gorilla Tape bed liner. That's what you make this out of. Gorilla Tape bed liner. And there we go. Gorilla Tape bed liner and aluminum tape right there will give you these results in here. And it's pretty sturdy, it's waterproof. There's some water dripping out now where I cleaned it up after a good run out here. Give it a good run, but that's how you really do those lights. Yeah.